Hello, today we're taking a look at the 7.5 Christmas tree. So this is how it comes in the box, nicely, neatly wrapped. As you can see, it already has built-in Christmas lights, which is amazing, so that saves you guys time. It comes in sections, and you can find these little cards letting you know which piece goes where. So this is number 3. So this would be for the top of the tree. Excuse me, I'm wrong. Number 1 is the top, number 2 is the middle, and number 3 would be for the bottom. So the leg is very easy to use. All you do is you push it like this, and then it provides you with bolts that you just put through there, and that's the stand, which is really simple. So when you're done, you can easily close it back up and put it away. I love that design. What's also nice about this is it just pulls down to open it up. So just like this, you pull it down and it opens up on its own. Now, what you can do is you can move the branches around to basically form it to make it, however you want it to look. So if you want it to look nicer, you can. Or if you like this minimalistic look, you could do it that way. You can adjust the branches, bend them a little bit, and move them around just like that. So yeah, there's options. When you go ahead and you put the second layer on, go ahead and plug in the plug right in here, so that way they're all connected. Again, make sure you plug all 3 tier plugs in. When you're done, then you go ahead and move everything to how you want. Okay guys, so this is what the tree looks like. I have not molded it yet. I'm letting my wife do that. So there's a lot of gaps and stuff. All these gaps like here, you're not gonna have, because you're gonna bend your branches up and bend them out and make it how you want. We just simply pulled it out just to show you guys, and then I'm gonna let my wife pull it how she wants. But it's nice. Lights work good. Like it.